and another one is point to point. Point to point. These two models that software is maintaining. Publish or subscribe. Publish or subscribe. Another one is point to point. So here, where we are using this publish and subscribe model, and where we are using point to point model. First, publish and subscribe. In this publish and subscribe model, actually here, this Sun Microsystem is developed program and it is called Java Messaging Service, JMS. When Sun Microsystem is developing that application, it is called Java Messaging Service. Messaging service. Here, it is called provider. And these all are called Java Messaging Service Client. And this in big size. JMS client. Here also JMS client. And it is also JMS For example, he is the JMS client. Now he send data to another person. So he send data means he send one message to another person. That time, who is send that data? That JMS client is called the producer. Now he send message to this person, and this is provider. That's nothing but server. Here, this JMS client send data to this client through this server. Now it is reached to here. Now, who is send that message? That person is called producer. And who is receiving that message? This person is receiving now message. And this person is called, now he is sending data to this provider. Now this person is receiving that data. And here another person, JMS person client, he also sending data, and same time he also receiving data. If If one person send data to another person, this sender is called a producer, and this who is receiving the data, that person is called a customer. Means here now this person is sending data. This person also JMS client. 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 JMS means Java Messaging Service Client. Now this client send data to this client. So who is sending data? That person is called producer. Who is receiving that? Data nothing but messaging. Who is sending message? That person is called producer. Who is receiving that message is called customer. Now he is receiving data is called customer, and who is sending that message? That person is called producer. Now this client is sending message and same time is receiving message. So that time this JMS client is called is producer and same time customer. Means if any JMS client send data and send message and receiving messaging, that time that person is called producer and customer. Generally, if any client is sending message is called producer. If any client is receiving message is called customer. If one client is send data and receiving data, that time the person is called producer and customer. Now here, this provider, what is the function of provider? This provider main function main function to routing and delivery message. This is the provider function, provider work. Means here in publish and subscribe, in this subscribe model, in this here all clients is treated as a JMS client. These are all users is JMS client. Who is providing that service? That person is called provider. And who is sending data? That person is called producer. Who is receiving that message? That person is called customer. This is the publish and subscribe model. Next one is point to point. Point to point model. Point to point model. In this point to point model, here one customer. Or one client. Here also some clients. and here one virtual queue. Now, if this client send one message to particular one client, then that message is in queue, and this client is waiting for that message in queue. When that queue is coming, then this person is receiving that message. Means here, here we are maintaining virtually one queue. This queue is delivered that message one by one. Actually, here this means here we are sending data one person to particularly one person, not all. But this all messages in queue, virtually in queue. So here this clients also in waiting. When that queue is coming, immediately that person receiving that message. Means in this all the messaging in queue. Means this person is sending one message, this is that message. So that is this queue is send remaining these three messages to remaining clients after it is send that message to this client. It is called point to point model. Means in this we are means one client is send one message to particularly one person, not all. So here means in this point to point model we send one message to one person only, not all. It is not a group. Point to point model. Here, this Java messaging service maintaining two models. One is publish subscribe model. Another one is the point to point model. These two models is maintaining Java subscribe. So here, what is the messaging? Messaging means nothing but technically already we are discussing. We exchange message to server means message server means for example if you have sent one message to this server, so this is a messaging server. Messaging server, if we exchange this messaging with server, it is called, if we exchange this message to the server, it's called messaging technically. But the normal definition of message means here here some data stored and deliver or modifying in particular format. So in particular format means here messaging purpose we are maintaining one format. In this format, what is the message? In normal definition, we send data. In this data have text and pictures and mail and paging. So we send data. In the data have text, picture, mail, paging. This all are we are sent in particular format. In that format, we are sent one place to one client to another client. That purpose we are using messaging. Messaging definition means we send text, picture, mail, paging in particular format. It is called messaging. And here, generally, this messaging is two types. two types. First one is the normal messaging. In this normal message, already we are discussing IBM MQ, and another one is Java Microsystem, Java Messaging Service, and in IBM M2. These two are we are using in normal messaging purpose. And another one is instant messaging. Instant messaging. So here messaging two types. One is the normal. In this normal purpose, we are using IBM MQ program. Another one is the Java Message Service. In these two we are using. Why we are using these two programs? Why they are developing this application? Means, for example, here one client means this is the client PC. This is the another client PC. This person is using in this machine. For example, this is one client PC and this is another client PC. For example, this person is using, for example, Linux operating system, and this person is using Windows 7 operating system. Windows 7 operating system. Now, this person is preparing some message and is sent to this client. Means this person. Now, this person is preparing that message in Linux operating system, but he sent to another person, but this person using Windows 7. Here, Linux is a different operating system, Windows 7 is different operating system. If we send normally one message from here to here, that time this Windows 7 kernel compiler is not compiling the data properly. Means Linux is using different kernel and compiler, Windows 7 is using different kernel and compiler. So here, this data modification means here we are preparing the message in Linux. Linux is maintaining different kernel and Windows 7 also maintaining different kernel. So if we send the data in this situation, if we want send in data with the Linux operating based machine, that is compulsory to send data to who is using Linux operating system. That time only this machine is compiling your data. Means this OS is compiling your data and is showing properly. But nowadays every client is using different operating systems. But our aim to we send this means we send this message means mail to everyone. That purpose here we are preparing one software. So this software is developing IBM, and another one is Sun Microsystems. So IBM developing that software. That software is called MQ, and Sun Microsystems is developing a software that is called Java Messaging Service. So here now this is the client. This is the client. In between here we are maintaining one messaging server. Now this messaging server is receiving this message. After by using this software, it is sent the data to here. Means here this MQ software and this GMS software is compatible to Linux and Windows 7 any operating system. Means it is compatible to all operating systems, kernel and compiler. That is the main advantage of IBM MQ, and this JMS software. That purpose we are using this software. These two companies is preparing this software, MQ and JMS, Java Messaging Service. And these two companies is maintaining two models. What that models? Point to point model and publish and subscribe. Point to point. Means here, this software is maintaining two models. What are the models? Point to point model, and another one is publish and subscribe model. These two models we nowadays we are using, and these two models is transferring messages from one client to another client. Here, now here this is one type of message, but as per our syllabus, in our syllabus we have only mailbox, but they are mentioned title is introduction to messaging, but in this we have only mailbox topic. Why we are discussing this IBM MQ and Java microsystems JSM means title justification purpose we are discussing that topic, but our main topic is mailbox. What is the use of mailbox? Mailbox. In mailbox, in this, every client for example, client receiving one mail. Immediately that mail is sent to mailbox. Means in this every client have one individual mailbox, independent mailbox. So if you using this messaging service, that every client maintaining one independent individual mailbox. If this person is receiving any mail, immediately that mail is put in mailbox. Now, in this mailbox, what we are doing in this mailbox means in this mailbox we are scanning mails. Scanning mails. And send mails to another person. And you delete mails. And copy mails. These are the features of mailbox. Generally, our topic is mailbox. Actually, they are putting title is introduction to messaging. In this, our topic is mailbox. What is the mailbox? Means here, if you try to use messaging service, that time every person is maintaining one independent mailbox. If you receiving any mail, immediately that mail is put in mailbox. So now you watch your mails in mailbox. You send that mails to another person from mailbox. You delete that mails in mailbox, and you scan that mails in mailbox. And same time you copy that mails from mailbox to another secure location. This type of features is provided in this mailbox. And here in this messaging service, for example, now we are discussing about, for example purpose, we are discussing Gmail, messaging purpose, Gmail. So this Gmail, it is providing this messaging service, means email purpose. So in this Gmail is providing every client mailbox purpose is providing approximately 15 GB space nowadays. In starting time, when this Gmail is started, that time it is providing only 1 GB space in starting time. So that time, what is the main aim of this Gmail? Means one person is installing one very big server, and that server is configured as a messaging service, and it is providing that service to clients free of cost. What is the benefit of that person? Means here every person is providing service for benefit purpose. Means he is establishing one very big server. This server in install purpose he is spending, for example, 100 crore. After he is installing operating system and he is providing that service to clients free of cost. What is the benefit? In starting time, this Gmail is providing 1 GB space to every client user, and same time this Gmail server is scanning every person mails. For example, in your mail, if you are discussing about your birthday, immediately it is scanning the details and it is sending this information to proper that vendors. For example, you are saying, for example, NSDI Ramanpur. So in old days, not now, that time this Gmail server is scanning. In your mail, you are discussing about your birthday. This discussion in between you and your friend. Immediately, this mail provider and this person is scanning your mail. In this mail, what you are discussing about your birthday, where you are staying NSTA Ramanpur. Immediately, he send your details to who is providing that cakes, bakery, who is providing that bouquets. He send that information to that person. Immediately, that person is send one pop-up message to your computer. Here, this is my shop. It is located to Ramanpur. We are providing this much of discount. We are we are preparing and we are supplying birthday cakes and birthday cakes, and we are also providing bouquets, and we are also providing event related cakes, and he is giving some message to your computer. Means you are receiving one pop-up message. That time you are surprising. How they know my birthday? So in starting time, this Gmail is scanning every person mail. So that time that lawyers is putting case and with legal issue. That time this Gmail is stopping scanning your mails in starting time. But so after legal issues coming, that is this mail server is stop scanning your mails. But before that, he is scanning every your mail, and it is shared that details to other persons. Means he sell your details to other third party persons starting time. So that time legal issues coming. So that time this mail means this Gmail is stopping that scanning. And in starting time he is providing 1 GB. Now it is providing approximately 15 GB. But here, how it is got Gmail? For example, if you want to create any mail, that time what is the process means here? This is client, this is server. If you want to create any mail, compulsory this client is access this server. Means here, this messaging service providers is maintaining server client procedure. Means if you want to send any message, if you want to receive any message, compulsory you access this server. Your message total details available in this server. Means here, for example, if you want to maintain Gmail, compulsory you trust this server. Means for example, if you are send any secret information, compulsory you trust this server. Means for example, it is very secret information, that time this server also sharing that information to third-party clients. That type of issues also is possible. Means here no privacy in this. This Gmail is providing free of cost, but here every your personal mails, your office mails, official mails is monitoring. All this mails is stored in this server, and this details is monitoring other persons also possible. So in this is the problem. Means here every messaging provider is maintaining server client procedure. Means compulsory if anyone want to create any account, compulsory that person is access this server. Means he is creating, means his account details all are available in this server. This is the mail service system in this. So here this is the one method. Another one is another one. So this is the one type of messaging. Another one is instant messaging. Instant messaging. Instant messaging. Instant messaging is providing many providers. In this first example is WhatsApp. WhatsApp and Facebook. Messaging. Facebook message and ShareChat. ShareChat. These are the examples of instant message. Means in this you have sent message. Means here it is showing. For example, in this WhatsApp, if you have sent any message, that message is reached or not, it is giving that acknowledgement. That message is that person is watching or not. That type of acknowledgement also is provided in this instant messaging. Normal messaging means if you send any message, that message is dropped in mailbox of that person. Means here one client and here another client. So here in this instant messaging, this client is sending any message to this client. This message is reached or not, immediately is giving one acknowledgement. And this message that person is reading or not, that person also is giving one acknowledgement. Now this client is online or offline. That type of acknowledgement also provided in this instant messaging. That type of features is providing this instant messaging. And in this instant messaging also we are maintaining one server. This instant message is also maintaining by one server. But some services is available without server. Means in this they are not maintaining any server. Means they are not maintaining any your data storage. If you send any message, that message is received to that destination. Destination after the person is reading and after he deleting or saving, that person destroyed. But this data is not saved in any other place. This is the another method, means serverless messaging. This is the another type of method here. So here actually our topic is mailbox, but in messaging side here, what are the main is messaging, another one is the instant messaging, another one is serverless. Serverless messaging. Actually, nowadays many service providers is providing messaging feature, but 90% that providers are maintaining server. Means if you are deleting any files, that time you send one request to that service provider, that time he is giving again total that your data to you. That features is available. Means who is the maintaining server? That type of service providing your data again. If you have lost any data in your mobile, that time the data is available from server. But here messaging. Messaging means in this example is email. Email, what in older days we are using paging. Pager. Paging purpose we are using. Paging purpose we are using pager. And instant message. Instant message purpose we are using some applications. What is that? WhatsApp and Facebook chat, and another one is Skype chat. This not only this way, many providers is providing this instant messaging. In this popular is WhatsApp and Facebook chat and Skype chat. These are the providing, but some providers is more providing serverless messaging, but this service not, I think, not available in India. Other countries they are using. Here generally we are using message and it's not doing messaging. Messaging purpose, what we are using? Messaging purpose we are using IBM M2 software, and another one is Sun Microsystems. What is that? Java messaging service. These two softwares we are using for messaging purpose. What is the definition of messaging technically means? We exchange message with message server. It is called messaging. And here these two softwares while we are using means different clients is using different operating systems. So these different operating systems are available with different compilers, different kernels. So here one client is using one operating system, another client is using another operating system. If this client send any message from here to here, that kernel or the compiler is not able to read your message. Means it is not showing proper data. So that is the problem. We have solved that problem by using this MQ software and JMS software. These two softwares is compatible to compile all operating systems, compilers and kernels, and it is also managing all operating systems also. When we are send any mail from any operating system related computer, that time the message coming here and here modified after is sent to the client. Means here it is sent that message to all clients operating system compatible mode. Means here generally here in India popular is Windows and the one is Linux. So in Windows also have many versions, Linux also have many versions, but it is using different compiler and kernel, and Linux also using different uh, compiler and kernel. If we send any message directly to compiler, then this compiler is not able to compile that message. So in between here we are using some software. That software is modifying that, and this software is compatible to Windows and the software compatible to Linux. So that time if any client send any messaging any message from here to here, that time it is modifying and it is sent to this operating system. Actually here messaging purpose we are using different format. If you are sending any message, generally we are typing any message in that box. In for example, if we are using mail, in this mail we are typing hello, and same this word I am typing in notepad, and same this word I am typing in MS Word. Now I am send one mail to another client, another person. In that message I am typing in that mail is hello. Actually, this hello is forwarding from my system to another client. That time, this messaging service is maintaining one different format. This data is forwarding from here to a different format. After it is reached to client, means in between here have one server. This server is maintaining MQ software or Java messaging service software. So this software is is compatible to all OS compilers, and it is compatible to all OS kernels. This is the main feature in messaging. Means messaging purpose we are using on different format, and this messaging is provided by mainly these two softwares. These two softwares is developing IBM, and another one is Sun Java. Sorry, Sun Microsystems. But here our main topic is in this. What is that? Mailbox. This is a one small topic. Mailbox. What is the feature of mailbox? Means if you receiving any mail, first that mail is put in mailbox. Means if you are creating any mail account, that time he is providing one individual mailbox for each client purpose. So this mailbox is has some space. If you any client, if one this person is receiving message, so that time immediately that mail is put in mailbox. So when you are free, that time you are reading that mail and you are deleting that mail and you are forwarding that mail to another person and you are save that mail is possible. This is our topic. Means mailbox. What is the function of mailbox? This is our topic. So in this here, what we are using in this, we are using only two methods. What is that one? Another one is the point to point model. Another one is what is that? Publish and subscribe model. Now, question time. Actually, while we are discussing this all out means here, our topic is messaging. But in this, we are discussing about only mailbox. As per our syllabus, we have only mailbox. But messaging purpose, we are using some software. Who is providing that software and how it is works? Means here, messaging purpose, they are maintaining two models. One is the point-to-point model. Other one is publish and subscribe model. So here, these two models managing all our messaging system. And this messaging system is two types. One is the messaging system, other one is instant messaging system. This all is not message, means these are out of our syllabus. Our syllabus only. What is that? Only mailbox. What is a mailbox? This mailbox is means every client is maintaining one independent mailbox. If he is receiving any mail, immediately that mail is put in mailbox. When that client is free, or when that customer is free, that customer is accessing that mailbox and he is reading mail and he is deleting mail and he is forwarding this mail to another client and he saved that mail. Only that features available in mailbox. That is actually our topic as per our syllabus. Our classes is follow on our syllabus. Previous class and today class, tomorrow class also we are follow our syllabus. In next class, I think server backup and data recovery. I think it is very big topic. If you are discussing any big topic, in this, if we are not covered the topic in single way, in next class we are continue that class. When generally here what we are saying, introduction to messaging. This is our class title. So in this we have only small topic. But in next classes we have any big topic. That time today we are discussing some portion and next class we are discussing continuation of today class. And in next topic is our next topic is server backup and recovery. Next topic, maybe it is a big topic. So that time we are taking two classes about that server backup and data recovery purpose. Now question time. If you have any doubt in this, you ask.